Finally, it's easier to travel anywhere. Say hello to Deem. Let's go over how to book a trip using Deem. On the trip planning page, you can select round trip, one-way, or multi-city. Enter your departure and destination locations. Next, provide dates and times for your trip. You can filter your flight search by the number of stops, airlines, and airports. Click on the All Filters button for additional filter options, including time of day, fare type, and company policy. Click on Apply Filter when done. You can sort the search results by preferred carrier, price, departure time, arrival time, flight duration, or company policy. Click Details to view additional information for a specific flight. The Fare Details page includes information about the flight schedule, fare types, and the seat map. You'll be able to select your seat at checkout. Let's choose a flight. You can complete your flight booking directly from the Review Your Trip page or continue to add a hotel or a car rental. Let's add a hotel. Click Add Hotel. You can filter your hotel search by chain, star rating, and amenities to help narrow down some great options. Click on All Filters for additional options, including Search by Hotel Name. You can also sort your results by preferred hotel chain, company policy, distance, price, or star rating. Click on a hotel to expand the details. On the Hotel Details page, you can view hotel photos, room types, amenities, location, detailed safety check information, and reviews. To view room rates, click on the Room Rate button. Let's choose a hotel. At this point, you can check out from the Review Your Trip page to complete your booking, or you could add a car rental. To do that, click Add Car Rental. Filter car rental search by transmission type, car class, or supplier. You can sort the search results by preferred vendor or price. Let's reserve a rental car. Now we're ready to check out. The Review Your Trip page will save your trip for 1 hour. A timer shows how much time is available before your shopping cart expires. On the Review Your Trip page, you can select your flight seats, make changes, or remove segments. If you're not ready to check out but want to save your trip, click on Hold Trip. If this feature is enabled on your site, Hold Trip will save a trip for up to 48 hours. Click Checkout when you're ready to finalize your booking. If any of your selections are out of policy, an out of policy pop-up will appear. Select the reason why you chose an out of policy option and provide the purpose of your trip. Click Save to continue. The checkout page lets you view and edit your traveler information, preferences, and payment information. Click Continue to get to the final purchase page. When you're ready, click Book Now. Trip confirmed. Now all that's left is to pack that suitcase. Deem, for the way people travel.